Hey guys, so I just got out of work and figured I would come stop by the house to see what got done the past few days since I haven't been here. And the flooring in the back bedroom is done. So let me show you. All right, so here we are in the back bedroom, and this is just a few little clips of the process of doing the flooring. What a difference. All right, guys, so here it is. The flooring is done in here. Still got to do the molding and everything, but you guys, I'm gonna insert pictures of like before and after. Well, it's not so much after yet, but you know, we're almost there. But the painting is done. There was one little spot here that needs to be patched, so I'm gonna have to just paint over that. But you guys, it looks so good. Here's this side here. And then here is the flooring. I love how the flooring turned out. I think it's gonna be really good with like the, you know, like the white up here, going down to the light pink, and then having the darker flooring. And then once we get the molding in, I think it's gonna look so good. Get the closet doors back in. I still gotta paint. I painted this half of the closet just inside. Now I still gotta do my side. But you guys, right there is the hot water heater. But look at that. It looks so good. I love it, you guys. Seriously. Okay, so this is what the bedroom looked like before everything was done, before it was gutted, and here's the after from the same angle. Wow. Next up was the flooring in the living room. That got done, and what a difference that makes. Looks so good. So once the flooring in the living room got done, we just did a straight shot right through to the front bedroom as well. Got the flooring done in there, the painting done in there, and this one again is just waiting for the molding. So here we are in the kitchen, and I was looking at the wallpaper in the kitchen and the living room, and I knew it had to go. So that's where we started next. Hey guys, so it's currently September 17th, and I'm here working on the house. Today I am working in the living room / kitchen. You can see behind me, taking down old wallpaper. So right here's the bit that I've already got done. And right here's the stuff I'm working on. That's like the old adhesive layer to the wallpaper. If I pan up here, you guys can see, here's wallpaper I'm taking down. Whoop, whoop. There we go. The wallpaper I'm taking down, the adhesive layer, and then this is the paneling that was covered over. So that's what we're getting down to, because I want to paint this. I hate wallpaper. It's a pain in the ass, so it's got to go. So that's what I'm working on today. So in this bottle right here, I have a cap full of fabric softener, just the cheapest stuff from Walmart. Then the rest is filled with warm water. I have this 5-in-1 tool. I went around and I sprayed the parts I'm gonna be doing. You guys, watch this. All right, ready? Here we go. It just comes right up, makes it so much easier. If you hit like a little dry patch, just wet it again, and it just comes right off in these layers, and it's so easy. I'll show you again. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but look at that. And you can see it doesn't damage the paneling behind it. It goes a lot faster when you're not doing it one-handed, trying to hold a cell phone. But as you can see, I mean, it's coming off fairly easy. Just go over little spots if you need to. There we go.
You could stop.
I almost caught that on camera. You guys, he almost just ate it. Let's see, he's gonna do some ASMR. Let's go closer, hang on.
Listen.
Oh yeah, that's some ASMR.
Ow. Did you get that?
Yeah. We're still recording.
Of course we are. All right. Time to liven it up.
Ooh.
Just like a band-aid.
Rip it real good.